bats have a serious PR problem. While Marvel gave us billionaire dressed as one, actual bats have been typecast as blood-sucking, rabies-carrying, generally unpleasant neighbors. Yet, these nocturnal sophisticates are secretly working overtime to make our lives better. Let's start with agriculture, where bats are pulling off some impressive numbers. Every night, they consume roughly their body weight in insects. A single colony of 1,000 bats can devour around 10 tons of insects annually. That's 10 tons of crop-destroying pests that farmers don't need to worry about. And before you suggest pesticides could do the same job, bats work for free, don't leave chemical residues, and have considerably better target acquisition systems. Their rolling pollination and seed dispersal is equally impressive. These nocturnal gardeners pollinate over 500 plant species, including bananas, mangoes, and guava. In fact, many tropical and desert plants have evolved flowers that only open at night, specifically to attract bats. The plants provide nectar, and in return, bats cover themselves in pollen and spread it from flower to flower. As for seed dispersal, bats are the primary seed spreaders in many rainforests. They can scatter seeds up to 23 times farther than birds, helping maintain forest diversity and regeneration. Among the many plants bats propagate is agave, which means your tequila exists thanks to these flying mammals. And here's something that might surprise you. Bats are also excellent indicators of environmental health. Their sensitivity to environmental changes makes them living barometers of ecosystem stability. When bat populations decline, it's often the first warning sign of broader environmental issues. Think of them as nature's canaries in the coal mine, just with better navigation skills and a more diverse diet. In terms of disease control, bats actually help more than they harm. While, yes, they can carry diseases, like every other wild animal, they're also controlling populations of mosquitoes and other disease vectors. One bat can catch up to 1,000 mosquitoes in a single hour, which makes your average mosquito trap look about as effective as trying to catch rain with a fork. The economic impact? In North America alone, bats provide agricultural services worth over $3.7 billion annually. That's billions in pest control, pollination, and seed dispersal services, all without sending a single invoice. Bottom line, bats give us tequila, pest control, and vital ecosystem services. Not bad for an animal that's been relegated to Halloween decorations and vampire stories.